Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about the truth about Shopify dropshipping. In my recent video about dropshipping, people asked me a lot about does it work doing dropshipping, or is it true that people make a lot of money out of dropshipping? So in this video, I thought I will take a moment to talk about how it works and does it really worth of doing it or not. So let's start. The first thing is, all the video I have watched on YouTube, most of them are going to sell something on you. It is going to be something like a course which is about 500, or they ask you to subscribe to something that they are going to do some marketing on you. If dropshipping was really good, these people was not going to sell a course to you. They would invest that time on dropshipping and teach you for free because they claim they are making a few $1,000s per day from dropshipping. The way they say is not that easy. It is not a quick way to get rich. And they make dropshipping so easy on those videos. They say just put some product and then run your Facebook ads and then you have all the profit. So that is not true. Most of them are lie. If that was true, they would not sell a course on you. They would just spend that time on doing some dropshipping and earn a lot of money out of it. They sell a course on you because they cannot make enough money out of a dropshipping store. The second thing is, it does not have a future career path. When I say it does not have a future career, I mean it. Think about it. Currently in China, the coronavirus and some other countries, I am not specifically saying China, it has shut down most of the businesses, especially the dropshipping, because most suppliers of dropshippings are Chinese people, and currently they are not going to be shipped to most countries because they do not let you do that one. But there are many businesses who are still running, and so many of them are going to work just fine because they are not depending on any other country. Learning Facebook Pixel is not a skill. When you do dropshipping, you never learn a permanent skill that you will apply for a job, or you run your own company and you say, yeah, this is my skill, I know like dropshipping. Also, the profit you make out of dropshipping, all of them are not profit. The people who share you the screenshot of their store, I'm sure not even half of those sales are profit. Because when you import the product from AliExpress to your store, you have to have like 50% profit on them. Let's say you say the product price is $10 in AliExpress and you're selling it $20. And that is the profit. The Shopify is also going to cut out of it, and also there are some tax applied to that. And if you see those screenshots of sales that people are sharing with you, all of them are not profit. I'm honest with you, when you are running a Shopify dropshipping, if you do not invest money, it is not going to make any profit for you. I have seen some of our clients when they are big brands and they sell product without advertising. Even some of the small brands, they are making like $3,000 to $5,000 per day if they are not running any ads, because they have their own customer and those customers need the product and they buy it. All the dropshipping store I have seen will close one day because they are selling a trending product. After that product is not trending anymore, they have to close their store, and you can watch their video. They say, I have paused my store because it is not selling again. It is because those stores are not going to make you a permanent profit. So if someone asks me, does it worth doing dropshipping? I would say no. If you have a skill, do not put that on a dropshipping store. I recommend you to improve your skill and make a brand instead of adding that time in a temporary profit that is not going to be permanent. So that's it, and if you have more questions, feel free to ask below this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.